Stop by and take a look at the 2004 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, FWD, wheel covers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, power outlet. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.